Want to use Claude AI directly from your Windows computer? The Claude desktop app lets you access AI conversations, work with files, and stay productive without opening your web browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Claude AI on your PC in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Claude download page. Always download the desktop app from the official website to ensure you're getting the latest and safest version. Avoid downloading installers from unofficial websites. Next, click Download for Windows. The installer will begin downloading to your computer automatically. If your computer uses an ARM processor, choose the Windows ARM version instead. After the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Claude on your PC. You may see a Windows permission prompt during the installation process. Once the installation is complete, launch Claude from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Take a moment to let the application finish loading. Sign in using your Claude account. If you don't already have one, create a new account to start using the desktop application. After signing in, your conversations and settings can sync across supported devices. You're now ready to begin chatting with Claude, upload supported files, ask questions, generate content, and explore the desktop app's features. So you've successfully downloaded Claude AI on your PC. And that's how to download Claude AI on your PC. Installing the desktop app gives you quick access to Claude whenever you need help with writing, coding, research, brainstorming, and much more. The desktop experience can make it even easier to stay productive throughout your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.